What if dancing could kill you? In 1518, Strasbourg witnessed a bizarre and deadly phenomenon. It all began with Frau Troffea, who started dancing uncontrollably in the streets. Her fervent movements had no musical accompaniment, yet she danced on. Within days, dozens joined her, their bodies moving in a frantic, unstoppable rhythm. By August, the number of dancers had swelled to 400, and the city was in chaos. People danced until they collapsed, their feet swollen and bleeding. Some even died from strokes or heart attacks, their bodies unable to withstand the strain. Theories about the cause of this madness ranged from demonic possession to overheated blood. One popular theory suggested it was stress-induced mass hysteria. The people of Alsace were suffering from starvation and disease, creating a perfect storm for psychogenic illness. Others believed the dancers were victims of ergot poisoning, a hallucinogenic fungus found in rye bread. Ergotamine, the psychoactive product of ergot, is related to LSD and has been linked to other historical anomalies. However, John Waller argued that ergotism couldn't explain the prolonged and widespread dancing. Historical documents, including physician notes and city council records, confirm the outbreak. The Strasbourg City Council initially tried to help by encouraging more dancing. They even refurbished guild halls and hired musicians to keep the dances moving. But this only made things worse, and the council eventually banned public dancing. People believed the dancing was a punishment from Saint Vitus, and many joined in to seek absolution. The afflicted were sent to a mountain shrine, wearing red shoes sprinkled with holy water. They held small crosses and participated in rituals with incense and Latin incantations. Miraculously, the dancing plague began to subside by early September. The event left a lasting impact, inspiring films, songs, and books centuries later. Jonathan Glazer's 2020 short film, Strasbourg 1518, revisits the eerie phenomenon. Florence and the Machine's song, Choreomania, draws from the same haunting history. The 2022 book, The Dancing Plague, a collection of utter speculation, offers a fictional account. The BBC radio play, A Time to Dance, explores the mysterious events of 1518. Even the rap duo Grim Salvo reference the plague in their song, Ratking 1518. The folk band Three Daft Monkeys captured the essence of the event in Days of the Dance. Netflix's series, Evil, also delves into the chilling story of the dancing plague. Theories continue to evolve, but the true cause of the dancing plague remains a mystery. Was it divine punishment, mass hysteria, or something else entirely? The dancing plague of 1518 serves as a haunting reminder of the fragility of the human mind and body.